Hey guys, so this video will be about this squishy thing. It's like a small little bunny. It's like squishy. And it's cool. It's like squishy and it also smells. It smells like chocolate. And this is cool because it has like, it's like supposed, I think, I'm not sure, because I can see right here there's like kind of bread in the back and the card, and like you think this is also supposed to be a bread, but it's actually, but you can't eat it. And then you can squish it, and it's very squishy. It's like a shape of a bunny, and that's very cute. And that is what my video is gonna be about today. And also I got this squishy thingy at the mall. So, oh my gosh, that scared me. That was a fly. That scared me. Ew. Go away. You could hear them. Oh. Pause. Sorry about that. There was a fly and even a dragonfly. I don't know what the dragonfly was doing, but yeah, I got this. I don't even know where I left. What part? Okay. I'm so tired. Okay, so this is cute and squishy, and I got it. Woo, I'm so tired. I got it at the mall. And it was only $1 and like 70 something. 70. I no. It was only $1. 70 cents. I'm sorry for this cute little man here. And sorry, that was my dad. I was talking to him. Wanted to wet me, and it was only $1.70, which was not a lot, but you know. Yeah, and I think they're very cute and squishy. And that's all I have to say. And subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you liked it, and of course comment below. And hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel. And subscribe to my channel. And subscribe to, I don't know. Yeah, what is that? And yes, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's all. And it's, oh yeah, and another thing, these smell so good. It smells like chocolate. Sorry, my sister did it. Okay, so yeah, it smells like chocolate. It's very good. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And remember, subscribe. Adios, mis amigos. Don't listen to her. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Do you want to fight?
Don't subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.